How to turn off AirDrop on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off AirDrop on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Apple's AirDrop feature for iPhone and iPad makes it easy to send items to nearby iOS devices such as pictures, videos, contact information, map information, and more. While this feature is incredibly convenient, having AirDrop enabled can leave you exposed to hackers who are looking to tap into personal information on your iPhone or iPad. As a result, if you don't use AirDrop regularly and you want to increase your device's security, you may want to turn off the feature. So, to turn it off, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General, and then you will see the option for AirDrop. Tap on that and now go ahead and select the option for Receiving Off. And with this, your AirDrop feature will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off AirDrop on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.